Yes, now let us see the substitution. So what is our tabular value here? So corresponding to x and f of x, our tabular values are x naught is 0. So here we got 1. And next we had 1, it is 0.5. Next 2, it is 0.1. Next 3, we got 0.0588. Next 4, we got 0.0385. Next 5, 0. For 3 it is 0.1. It is 0.1. Next for 4 it is 0.0588. 0.0588. Next for 5 it is 0.0385. And for 6 it is 0.027. 0.027. So this is the table which we had. So corresponding values here are, this is y0, this is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So we have to apply the three formulae. We have to evaluate the integral. So by trapezoidal rule. By trapezoidal rule. What is the number of subintervals we have taken here? Number of subintervals is 6. Means we are getting values starting from y0 to y6. So what is the value of integral 0 to 6? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this is what is h. Already we have seen h is equal to 1. Difference between 1 and 0, 1, 2 and 1, 1, 3 and 2, 1, 4 and 3, 1. So h is 1, 1 by h by 2. H by 2. It is 1 by 2. What is our y0? y0 plus yn. y0 plus yn. y0 is 1. Our yn is y6, 0.027. So what is trapezoidal rule here? H by 2 into y0 plus y6 plus 2 times remaining terms. So here we can even call this as 2 times remaining terms. 2 times remaining terms. So this is 2 times even number of terms and odd number of terms. Odd number of terms or odd terms. Even terms and 2 times even terms plus 2 times 4 times odd terms. Here we can write 2 times multiples of 6 plus 3 times remaining terms. Even we can write in that way. So it is 2 times remaining terms. What are the remaining terms here? 2 times remaining terms. So y0 and y6 here we have written. What are the remaining terms? y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So it is 2 times 0.5 plus 0.1 plus 0.2. This is 0.2, 0.2 plus 0.1 plus next 0.0588 plus 0.0385 plus 0.027. So if you evaluate this, this comes to be 1.4108. 1.4108. So simply you can calculate using Calc. Use Bodmer's rule and calculate. Next, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Because I have taken number of subintervals as 6, I can use the same table for all the 3 formulae. If I take 8, I can use only for trapezoidal and Simpsons because Trapezoidal rule, no restriction, any number of subintervals. But Simpson's 1/3 multiples of 2, 8 multiple of 2. So I can apply, but I can't apply for Simpson's 3/8. So it is 6 is the common subinterval for trapezoidal, Simpson's 1/3 and Simpson's 3/8. I can use the same table, Simpson's 1/3 rule. So according to this rule, because I have taken here number of subintervals as 6, so this is the formula what I have to use. Integral 0 to 6. What is our f of x? Our f of x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this is h by 3. What is our h? So look to this formula. H is 1 by 3. What is our y naught? Y naught is 1. Yn is y6. Y6 is 0.027 plus 2 times even terms. What are the even terms here? 2 times even terms is, this is even, this is even. You are not supposed to write y6. So 2 times y4, y2 plus y4. y2 is 0.2, y4 is 0.0588 plus 4 times, what are the remaining terms? Odd terms. What are the remaining odd terms here? Odd terms are y1, y3, y5. y1, y3, y5. So what is y1? It is 0.5, y3 0.1, y5 0.0385. So this is the substitution. You don't observe y0 and y6 anywhere. No repetition. No repetition of any value. So if you evaluate it, it comes to be 1.3662. Next, Simpson's 3/8 rule. Simpson's 3/8 rule. 3/8 rule. So what is Simpson's 3/8 rule? See, already I have written the formula for you here. Because the number of subintervals is 6, y0 plus y6, 2 times y3, because y6 already we are using here. No repetition of the term again. So plus 3 times remaining terms. So it is integral 0 to 1, 0 to 6, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to 3h by 8. Means what is h? 1. 3 into 1 is 3 by 8. y0 plus y6. What is our y0? 1 plus y6 is our yn, 0.027 plus 2 times. 2 times what is the term we get here? Multiples of 3. y3, because y6 already we have written here. What is y3 value? It is 0.1 plus 3 times remaining terms. What are the remaining terms here? y3 is over, y0 is over, y6, y1, y4, y1, y2, y4, y5. What is y1? 0.5, y2 0.2, y3 is already used, y4 plus 0.0588 plus y5 0.0385. So this is 1.3571. 1.3571. So this is what we have got the values. One more thing what we have to remember is, more the number of subintervals, the more accurate is the answer what you get to the theoretical answer. So this is about Newton trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. Check the values.